Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If you want to check whether or not you're using a semicolon correctly, just read the two clauses on their own and see if they make sense. If they don't, it's a miss. The last two examples attempt to connect a dependent clause with an independent clause using a semicolon. It should be a comma.
Take our lead.
Colons, smiley face, are used in sentences to show that something is following, like a quotation, example, or list. Semicolons, winking face, are used to join two independent clauses, or two complete thoughts that could stand alone as complete sentences.
Take our lead.
There are two common circumstances in which it is appropriate to use a semicolon. Use a semicolon between two complete clauses that are not joined by a conjunction. A semicolon is useful when two complete clauses feel too closely linked to separate into two different sentences.
Take our lead.
Generally, no, it serves the same structural function as a period, but indicates a relationship between the two independent clauses. That kind of falls to pieces if you start stringing them together. If you've got two semicolons, just make one a period.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.